curry leaf mojito. So that's a
very healthy.
yeah South Indian take on yeah. Cheers, guys. हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू येट अनदर एपिसोड ऑफ खाओ पियो किसको। मैं हूं आपका फूडी गाइड केतन और आज हम आए हैं बैंगलोर में बेलंदूर एरिया में बॉम्बे ब्रासरी रेस्टोरेंट में मेरे ऑफिस टीम वालों के साथ। सो वी हैव विद अस नव्या, से हाय, वी हैव अक्षय, वी हैव नेहा एंड सुशांत। So we are here for office lunch and we've got our drinks ready. Something called summertime zing.
Summertime.
What's that? Peru. Looks interesting. This is Peru pleasure, which is I believe guava kind of drink. This is something to do with melon. Can you taste and tell me how it is, Navya? And Akshay, you too?
No, I was just waiting for everybody's drink.
Oh, then we let's just wait for a couple of more minutes so that Neha also gets a drink, and uske baad we can cheer for our first office get together. So join us along. So here we have Rajputana Murg Shole Kebab, and our friends are ready, and Neha has got her drink as well, which looks really interesting, which is curry leaf mojito. So that's a
very healthy.
yeah South Indian take on yeah. Cheers, guys. Oopsie. Spillage all over. Okay, so Sushant, बताओ कैसा है Neha? How's your drink?
Very tasty.
Very tasty. And how's yours? Peru?
Quite spicy.
Spicy. Okay, that's not what we were expecting. Neha, Navya, how's yours?
It's nice.
Nice. Already tasted. Okay. Sushant, कैसा है तेरा drink? Okay, let me taste mine. Quite tangy and full of flavors. Orange and pineapple prominently. So let's enjoy our starters. So we already have Murg Shole Tikka on the table. So Neha, Akshay, Sushant, do the honors. Start with the... Okay, we are waiting for the knife. So meanwhile, I'll show you the ambience of this place. I'll show you around how this place really looks till the time we get our more starters. And yep, join us along. So Akshay is digging into the kebab. Oh, ladies first. Wow, the kebab looks really interesting. Butter, the grease is really greasing out on a platter. How's it? Yummy? Jodhpuri? Okay. कैसा है भाई? Navya is waiting for her starters to arrive. Oh, there's something we have on the... क्या ये? Oh, looks really interesting. We've got Agra See, I'm glad. आज veg khana is looking much prettier than non-veg. Green and white and so colorful. So we have a Snapchatter over here. What's your Snapchat account? Navya? Yep. And we have the awesome Calcutta Club. Just look at the length of the fish. Really long. Looks really cool. So, subset. All the Instagrammers, vloggers coming out. Sushant, Navya. Let's dig in.
Yes.
और ये क्या है? मलाई कबाब. Some malai kebab. We are bad at remembering names. Malai chicken kebab. So I'm gonna start with my paneer. Oh, we have paneer tikka also, but uske pehle seekh kebab, which looks really interesting. Roti is quite hard, but tikka is good. Sorry, the kebab is really good. We also have paneer tikka.
Yeah.
Lots of food on the table. Let's enjoy our meals. Sushant, कैसा है कबाब? कैसा है? हाँ, रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है. Thank you नव्या. फर्स्ट क्लास. सबसे अच्छा क्या था अभी तक? फिश, ये मलाई चिकन, वो कुछ जोधपुरी चिकन सूला कुछ था ना? हाँ. एंड सुशांत, सबसे बेस्ट क्या लगा? मलाई कबाब, मलाई चिकन कबाब. एंड व्हाट डिड यू लाइक द मोस्ट?
Rajasthan soul more kebab something.
Okay, so in non-veg, I think malai murg kebab sula is hands down the winner. And Navya is going to taste some paneer, analdana paneer tikka.
You can taste.
Even you can taste. Both of us will taste.
Okay, come.
Okay, start. How's it?
Yeah, nice.
Nice.
Yeah.
तो फिश के साथ हमारे को दिया गया था मैंगो एंड पाइनएप्पल सॉस विच टर्न आउट टू बी प्रिटी इंटरेस्टिंग अ कॉम्बिनेशन. अब मैं ट्राई करने जा रहा हूँ सम पनीर टिक्का. देख सकते हैं पनीर लुक्स रियली गुड, सॉफ्ट. नाइस. पनीर टिक्का इज रियली गुड, सॉफ्ट. और अनारदाना के कारण एक क्रंच है. सो रियली एंजॉयिंग इट. So guys, Navya today had fish for the first time. So Navya, how was the fish? Did you like it?
Yeah, it's very tasty.
What fish did you have? Sushant is saying dolphin.
Finding Nemo.
Finding Nemo in Navya's tummy.
Manal Lord the Shark Actor hai.
Sorry, what did you say?
Or if anybody sees the video on the YouTube, no, they'll be shocked.
I just hope Navya's family is watching this video.
They will not.
Please like, share, subscribe.
Please, yeah, guys, do like, comment, share, subscribe, and make this video so popular that Navya's family is forced to watch it. So we have Marwadi papad kofta, choo naan, looks really flaky, and बहुत ही क्यूट से कुकर में सर्व किया हुआ पंजाबी कुकर करी, पंजाबी चिकन कुकर करी. क्वाइट टंग ट्विस्टिंग, बट क्वांटिटी थोड़ी कम सी लग रही है. एंड रियली अमेजिंग लुकिंग बेरी पुलाव, पारसी बेरी पुलाव, एंड सम बटर नान टू गो अलॉन्ग ऑल द ग्रेवीज. सो लेट्स डिग इन. Navya, what have you done to my plate? Just look at this one and look at this.
Wait.
No gravy in your plate. You were playing with my kofta balls.
Yeah.
Doing Om Namah Shivaya. Do it to yours as well. Neha's literally chanting Om Namah Shivaya as Navya's pouring. Oh my god. So we are already super full. So people are playing with the food more rather than eating.
There is a silent killer.
Navya just named Sushant as silent killer. Probably Sushant is killing Navya with his looks. Silently he's killing you with his looks.
He is keeping silent. He is not speaking.
Okay, let me quickly taste the kofta. Navya's waiting for my approval. Huh? Nice, but the gravy is like too tomato-ish.
Shall I try?
Of course you have to, you don't have an option.
Well, there's one more. Chicken cookie.
Guys, how's your food? How's chicken and naan?
I feel it's better.
Chicken is quite okay. Okayish.
Okay. So starters were like really good. Probably we are too full to enjoy our meal. So it is the moment of truth and our bill is here. It says 6,700 actually, but we waived off the service charge, though the service was good enough, but we didn't want to pay the service charge. It was like more than 600 rupees. So yep, the bill is now 6040. So it's been great over here. Food was really good. Most of the dishes were really good. We enjoyed our chicken starters and veg starters and drinks. So I would request you guys also to come here sometime and give it a shot. So yeah, see you soon in another video. Till then, eat tasty and stay happy.
My guys know that they fly, know that they ride or die. Why they wanna move like that?